17. Anne and Ali both have bags that contain a mixture of chocolate biscuits and oatmeal biscuits. Neither child has more than 20 biscuits in their bag. If Anne chooses a biscuit at random from her bag, she has a 1/5 probability of choosing a chocolate biscuit. If Ali chooses a biscuit at random from his bag, he has a 1/4 probability of choosing an oatmeal biscuit. If Anne and Ali combine their bags and find they have 12 chocolate biscuits, how many oatmeal biscuits do they have altogether? First of all, let's focus on Anne. We're told that if Anne chooses a biscuit at random from her bag, she has a 1/5 probability of choosing a chocolate biscuit. So if we first of all focus on Anne and her chocolate biscuits, if she has a 1/5 probability of choosing a chocolate biscuit, that means she might have one chocolate biscuit, meaning the remaining 4 would be oatmeal, and that would be a total of 5. So that one chocolate biscuit would be 1 in 5, or 1/5. Or she might have 2 chocolate biscuits, and that would mean she'd have 8 oatmeal biscuits, a total of 10 biscuits altogether. She could have 3 chocolate biscuits, and that would mean she'd have to have 12 oatmeal biscuits. 3 plus 12 makes 15, but 3 out of 15 is still 1/5. She could also have 4 chocolate biscuits, meaning she'd have 16 oatmeal. This is 20 biscuits in total, and we know that neither child has more than 20 biscuits. Now let's do the same thing, but this time for Ali. And let's focus on the oatmeal biscuits for Ali, because we're told that if Ali chooses a biscuit at random, he has a 1/4 probability of choosing oatmeal. So that means he could have 1 oatmeal and the remaining 3 would be chocolate, because that would give 4 in total. 1 in 4 is 1/4. Or he could have 2 oatmeal and that would mean 6 chocolate biscuits. 2 plus 6 is 8. Or he could have 3 oatmeal and that would mean he would have to have 9 chocolate, and that would be 12 biscuits in total. Or he could have 4 oatmeal, meaning he'd have to have 12 chocolate, that would be 16 biscuits. Or he could have 5 oatmeal, and that would mean he'd have 15 chocolate, and that would be 20 biscuits altogether. We're then told that when Anne and Ali combine their bags, they find they have 12 chocolate biscuits. Remember, Anne can have 1, 2, 3 or 4 chocolate biscuits. So if this is Anne, she could have 1 chocolate biscuit, 2, 3 or 4. And that would mean that to make up the 12 biscuits, Ali would have to have 11 or 10 or 9 or 8. Remember, those numbers must add to make 12. We know, however, that when we're thinking about Ali's potential number of chocolate biscuits, he can only have 3 or 6 or 9 or 12 or 15. So it must mean that he has 9 chocolate biscuits, and that means that Anne must have 3 chocolate biscuits. So if Anne has 3 chocolate biscuits, then it means that she has 12 oatmeal biscuits. And if Ali has 9 chocolate biscuits, then that means he has 3 chocolate biscuits. 12 plus 3 is 15. So it means between the two of them, they must have 15 oatmeal biscuits altogether, making option C the right answer.